I can't just believe this. We started from the edge over there, and then we moved all the way round, just across the mountains to my current place. Charlie, it's no joke, trust me. Yo, hello, what's good, lovely people out there? This is your boy Minati for real. The location for today is Wli Waterfalls, which happens to be the highest waterfall in the whole of the West Africa region. It's made up of two parts, which is the lower and the upper falls. Moving to the lower falls, I learned it takes about 45 minutes, but going to the upper falls is a different ball game. From the experience of most of my friends, some said it took about 4 hours, others said 6 hours. But I've decided to take the challenge today because I can't just come and then show you guys the lower falls. I have to add the upper. So stay tuned. Can't wait to share my experience with you guys.
The journey has begun. Well, we are estimating less than 5 hours for this journey. But in case we delay, the journey behind is the cost.
But I'm the fittest here, you know how to do.
All right. This is how we prove our manhood.
Hey, Derek, Charlie, wait for me. Hey, Charlie, they are all going. Charlie, it's not easy, oh, Charlie, trust me. But one thing is certain, Charlie, giving up no be option. Charlie, more motivation. Yo, more motivation.
No surrender.
Don't mind them. We didn't take breakfast before we started, so Charlie, it's very necessary. Also,
Charlie, see, this journey it be a big deal. Trust me. So if you want to start, I beg, you know, be advisable say make you chop first before you start bar. Before attain some heights first before you chop.
yeah,
So that be what the situation they demand now. Yeah,
very necessary. You know, I'm the guy who has been motivating the whole team. You know, I'm motivating them. You know, they got tired along the way.
all right. Charlie, cut time, man. What I want to.
We are done with the lunch break. We are going. It's not easy, trust me. Oh God, who even sent me? Ah! Oh God, I feel like I'm even slowing the team. You said we are going to pass here.
Yeah. In between that mountain.
When you are coming back.
All right now? No. We will not be coming back. We are just going straight.
So we are going to the top.
Yeah.
The top.
The top.
So you pass in between.
We pass in between that mountain. Then we go at the back of it. Then straight to the waterfalls.
Ready?
When we are coming, we won't be passing this road again.
So if you estimate, we have like maybe some 1 hour or 2 hours. So.
2 hours.
We have 2 hours more.
Yeah.
Yeah, but check out the landscape. That's the upper falls, right?
That's the upper falls.
And now no turning back.
So when you're in the town too, that's what you'll be seeing. The upper falls,
Okay.
not the lower falls.
So where are we going to pass now?
We are going to pass like this. We will go on top of this mountain.
Derek, my hiking partner, is right on top. He has left me alone here. I don't know if you can see me. He's right on top there. Who does that? How can you go and leave me? Hey, Charlie. Charlie, if you are coming, Charlie, I recommend start jogging. Start jogging about 3 weeks or a month to time, at least 3 times a week, so that you have a little fitness in you. Trust me, Charlie. So unfortunately, where I've got to, there's no turning back. Ah, the view is crazy, but the hike is crazier, Charlie. Charlie, make relax like some 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Why?
Okay.
So at long last, I've reunited with my fake team. How can you be hiking with someone and leave the person behind? No, especially look at Derek. He calls himself my partner, but
Look,
he left me.
look. Before this whole hiking,
Uh-huh.
we all had a deal
That what?
that we are going to test our fitness.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yes.
And so we are just in the business of testing our fitness.
But Abi,
But what?
see the thing. But you know I'm fitter than you.
So basically, he has lost the deal.
I've lost. Listen, oh,
So
you know I'm like the macho guy here, so I have to be behind you. You understand? So that in case of anything, maybe a lion or something.
No.
Bro, are there lions here? No
Okay,
lions here.
so-
So I was just anticipating. So I have to be at the back. It's not that you are fitter than me or something. Okay, so how many hours do we have?
Okay, roughly as stated from the beginning, we are doing the whole trip, let's say 5 to 6 hours, and we are almost done with about, let's say, an hour and 30 minutes, but we still have about 40 minutes to climb. Then we descend down to the upper falls. From the upper falls, or at the upper falls, we relax there, take a shower, have a deep breath, rest. Then we see our feet to the lower falls.
And that's going to take another 3 hours.
No, that will take us about 1 hour 30 minutes from the upper falls.
Yeah, so I'm crying for these guys. So
Look.
this time, listen, I'm not going to wait for anybody. Derek, I'm not going to wait for anybody.
Okay, that's fine.
So deal.
That's fine. But please, let the camera keep monitoring us till we get to the site, so that our viewers can see who is misleading. All right, Charlie,
Let's go, Charlie.
let's bounce.
Charlie, it's not easy. Charlie, check out the view. Mountain in PDD. That's what they say. Check out the view. Charlie, I hope everyone, there's no one behind you. Okay. Charlie, I'm waiting for you guys. You guys are too slow. Let's go, Charlie. I'm waiting for you guys.
All right, yeah,
I
go.
go run, me say I go run leave you.
Oh, you see when they're slowing me down.
Body man. I go run, go leave you.
It's not only for girls, so it's not only for guys, so girls too can make it. It's true. Yeah. The beast, especially. So far so good.
Thank you.
He's doing well. The whole thing is doing well.
And I'm doing the best.
You are leading everything.
I'm leading everything.
I'm seeing your fitness now.
Charlie.
Go kill him.
Yeah.
Go kill him. Show.
You can't someone now.
Kill
You
everybody.
can't someone. We've got to another restaurant. Charlie.
The mountain that we
I lie.
that we passing between.
Hey.
This is crazy.
If you told me that I will be here, I won't believe you.
You no go believe, bro. I won't believe you.
Charlie.
Soldier.
Bella Kwao. Charlie. See the way I go and what she said.
Now body no samba bio. Never chire kwan we say.
Charlie, it's not easy. Oh,
Charlie,
man.
go.
Chire kwan we say.
Charlie, Derek, what do you have to tell
Oh,
people who are
okay.
planning to embark on this?
Look, Charlie, it's a cool journey, but it's just a journey we don't start at noon.
Yeah.
We just have to wake up as early as 6 a.m. By the time the sun sets, at least you'll be at the apex. Yeah, so
We started around what time, right?
yeah, I think we started around 6:30 to 7 thereabout.
Yo, guys, don't even have the energy to talk. So all I can say is check out the view. Derek, I'm waiting for you.
All right, Charlie, let's go. We are on. Let's go. All right.
Oh, yo. Oh, you guys should wait there.
Hey guys, welcome to the T Junction in Wli. The reason being T Junction is that on my right is Ghana and on my left is Togo. So we call it Togo Loop at the reception. The reason being that on taking this path, we'll be seeing some villages of Togo, Togo farms. We also cross the source of the waterfalls there. And since my guys are like Oliver Twist, they keep asking for more. And I have no other choice than to take them to everything we got here. So they see everything once and for all.
Wait, oh, so this is Ghana.
Yeah.
And this is Togo.
Yeah. So welcome.
And I'm going to Togo.
10 proud citizens of Togo.
Alright, Charlie, see you guys. Yo, guys, Charlie, we're still in Togo. Bonsoir. Tu comprends français? Au revoir. So you said something interesting. You said the waterfalls is not actually called Wli Waterfalls.
Yeah, actually, Wli is the name of the town. But we the locals here, we call the waterfall Agumacha waterfall.
Aglumacha.
Agumacha.
Agumacha
Yeah.
waterfall.
It comes from the Ewe word Agumacha,
Which
means give way, let me flow.
give way, let me flow.
Yeah,
So
so this is the source. So on top of the mountain, it's just flowing like a normal river.
okay.
But where the land came from, I mean the mountain, is falling there like a fall.
Okay.
Yeah, that gives us the double waterfalls we saw on our way. So now we are crossing over to some farms and villages of Togo after crossing the source of the waterfall.
Okay. So this is the source of the waterfall in Togo. Okay. I hope your French is good like me. Tu comprends français?
Bon arrivé.
Hey, what did you say?
Bon arrivé.
Hey, au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. Charlie, check out the Togo view. Check out the Togo view. I can't just believe this. We started from the edge over there, and then we moved all the way round, just across the mountains to my current place. Charlie, it's no joke, trust me. I still can't believe I went on that trail, trust me. It has proven to me that everything is possible. Because when we were starting and they told me like we have to go around this mountain, I was like, Charlie, can I do it? And before I realized I've done it, Charlie. It shows everything is possible with consistency, dedication, perseverance. We are still on our way to the upper falls though.
You go finish your battle before you go reach.
So I present to you Wli Upper Falls. Trust me, it hasn't been an easy journey, and we still even have the lower falls to go to. So without wasting time, I just want you guys to have a look at the place. We are still on our way to the lower falls. And you know the most painful thing? I thought like as I'm done with the upper, I'm just going to descend to the lower. And unfortunately, we've been ascending for the past like over 10 minutes now. Charlie, Charlie, it's not easy. All my water is finished. My snacks finished. If you are coming and load your bag with snacks. Oh God. So we've got to a point where you can clearly see both the upper and lower falls. Just check it out.
You want that?
Yes. Oh God. Hello guys. So I present to you Wli Lower Falls. So it took me a total of 7 hours, 32 minutes to visit both the upper and lower falls. And I'm kind of like the lazy one here. Yeah, so maybe you guys who are very fit, maybe I'm sure you could probably use less than that. But I'm really proud of myself today because I have a friends who are great hikers and they mostly complain of the obstacles they face when they came here. So I never expected I'll be able to make it to the upper falls. But Charlie, through a little motivation from my friends and then a little perseverance, I've made it. Oh, so hello guys, we've come to the end of another episode. When you hear the name Minati for real, simply remember it's all about promoting Ghana to Ghanaians and to the world through travel and tourism. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe. I love you all. I'm out.